In this video, we are going to learn about the branch control structure. While designing the software or writing the code, sometimes it is necessary to execute a part of code based on some condition. Like if a condition is true, you have to execute some part of code, and if the condition is false, then you have to execute some other piece of code. So this is just like the fact that you are driving and in the middle of the road you realized that if you want to go to the city, then you have to take left, and if you want to go to the forest, then you have to take right. Exactly the same type of scenario can be depicted in the program. In order to depict this type of situation in the program where you need to check for some condition, we normally use the keyword called if and else. This if keyword basically is followed by a condition. And if this condition holds true, then the program executes all the lines that are written right after if. And if this condition does not hold true, then the program comes directly inside the else part and execute all the lines inside else. Now let us try to analyze what is happening in this particular piece of code in this example. So here in the first line of the code, what I have done, I have simply stored the value city inside a variable called var. Then what I have done is I have checked if var equals city. You all know what is the meaning of this double equals. It basically checks whether the value or inside variable is equal to city or not. Now, if the value inside the variable var is city, which is true, then it will execute this line. That is, it will print go left. And if the value is not city and something else, then it could go inside the else part and print this go right. For example, instead of right now in this condition, this program will print go left because I have actually stored the value city inside this variable. Now, instead of storing city, if I store, let's say, var equals forest, then instead of printing go left, it would have been print go right, because the var equals city is false and it will directly come inside else statement.